Hi guys, today I bring you something different. I'm really excited about this. My throat is a bit sore, so I apologize for the sound. I'm drinking my tea. Um, so I want to show you something that me and a friend have been working on for over a year. Um, to give you a brief introduction, about February last year, we started testing mechanical systems. Uh, and for a while it was amazing, but then we quickly found that this is not going to be easy. So we started doing analysis on those mechanical trading systems, trying to improve them, selecting them, which ones worked, which ones didn't, which ones could be improved, which ones we could reduce risk, which ones we could control the amount of time they were trading, etc., etc. And for almost a year, we started analyzing and putting in a database of what is now about 90,000 live demo trades. This is not back testing. These were trades done over the period of 1 year. Um, so this on this tab, for example, we have 20 something thousand trades, and each value sorry, each value goes into the program column, um, and so on. So here we have 20 something trades. Here I think we have 7,000. Just to show you that this was a lot of work. Well, about 7,000 here. On this tab we have 45 or 46,000. Oh, 48, almost 48, yeah. 47, 900 something. And so on. So it's almost 90,000 trades tested, and along the way we were selecting the ones that worked and the ones that didn't, so that we ended up with only profitable um, mechanical systems. Uh, Even with those profitable ones, we needed to control risk because I mean we're analyzing the amount of the average win per trade, the average loss per trade, the win-loss ratio, um, number of trades, etc. And we wanted to improve these numbers so that we didn't have losses that were bigger than than wins, and we didn't have a negative expectancy on the win-loss ratio. So we kept improving. Uh, we did we tested here. It's now at the end, but we tested a lot of mechanical systems until we arrived at what we are happy now with. Would be we ended up combining two systems, and every mechanical every program works on a different time frame, on a different currency pair, and so on, so that we can control the risk and the exposure to news or to, well, anything. Um, so after all the almost a year, we combined this, and since the beginning of the year, well, we started closing the our combined system around the end of the of last year. And by the start of this year, we put it live, and we're still tweaking and improving. Um, and then we invited a bunch of people, and we started sending signals to them so that they could see the results. We asked everybody to do it on a demo because well, we've risked money on several parts of this process. We don't want people to lose money, so we asked that the signals would be received in a demo account until we are sure about many aspects. We're pretty comfortable with the system right now, but we're testing brokers, for example. Each one of the persons that are is receiving the signal is on another broker, and we're sending it through the internet. So we want to test internet brokers. We want to see if all signals are sent with no problems. If some brokers have problems, like with scalping strategies, some don't allow you to um, have a trade that lasts less than 5 minutes, for example. Well, crazy things. But we want to know that this system works in these brokers or in all brokers or in standard accounts or ECN accounts. So we're now testing that. That's why we ask people not to receive it on live. Probably some are, but well, then I hope they're not increasing the risk and some stuff like that. And well, for just to show you, these were the last you see the amount of trades, and this has been the equity curve. You see these drops here that are about the same loss. These are Fridays. This is when we close all the trades. Usually by Friday we'll have, I don't know, 4 to 5 trades open, and we'll just close them. Because during the process we saw that the drawdown would end up being crazy if we just let the trades open and hope that the next week they would either close or go into profit. So we're just closing it. It's part of the system. So these Friday drops are part of the process to get some consistency out of this. So that's it. I wanted to show you this, and we'll probably be starting to send signals soon. We began this with the ambition of helping friends and family, and we're almost at the moment where we can share this with friends and family, people that have not the time or the inclination to learn trading or the ambition to do so. So we want to help them, like and so this is going to be an interesting thing for us and for friends and family. And if you guys want, well, keep in touch, write me and ask me about this, and well, I hope to give you good news and find a way that we can help more and more people. So keep in touch. Bye. Just one more thing. After the results you saw, the general results, We then go into each system and analyze it according to its potential profitability. For example, here we know it's on a specific period. It did 15 trades. It had an average pip win of 10 pips, an average pip loss of minus 28, which is a negative ratio, but the overall win ratio covers that, and it ended up in 15 trades with 170 pip profit, which meant 97 euros. Here, for example, the same thing, 4 wins, 2 losses. Here we had 4 wins, 1 loss. This loss, or the 14 wins, cover this loss. Here the expectancy is much better, the win loss ratio. But then it's something that you see commonly. You either have a high win rate with a win-loss ratio that's not the perfect one, or the other way around. That's what's happening here. You get more profit, but then you have less less wins. But overall, you get a winning system. Here, even though we had a winning after this, we had a positive result after the 17 trades. We have a very low win loss win-loss ratio. So even though we have a 76% of winning trades, these 4 trades, if they average minus 87 pips, they will completely turn this result in the long run around. So we marked this one, this system with this pair, in this time frame, we marked it out and we took it off. So this is something that we are constantly doing, analyzing the results every weekend to improve the system and give you guys the best results.